morning everybody. Today we'll be making basmati rice and black beans in a coconut curry sauce. Probably do some pickled cucumbers on the side, but let's see what happens. My name is Indra and we are cooking from Barbados. So to start, I have the cubed onion, like large chunks, and these will like break down just now. And I have the curry spices tempering right here. Just let it chunge for a little bit. Then I just added the garlic, half of each fresh herb. Okra to just get slightly fried before I add the water to get some of the consistency that I want as a base before adding the black beans. So I'm going to flatten this out and then let each side kind of bronze, and then I flip over. To add in the beans, I drained the water already by just adding in a little bit and let them enjoy the curry flavors first before adding just a little bit of water, the first set of water. You see we got the okra slime already. So take on the flavor of the curry okra. Then adding in some coconut milk. Here, mixing in the coconut milk. Make sure it's mixed evenly. And there's no like any little chunks or anything if you use powder. And salt to taste. Just added in some different size diced potato. Now add in some water so the potato now could boil. Submerge in water, fully immersed in the water. And you'll soon see the black bean color coming back again. I have leftover basmati rice, so I'm gonna have it with this as a stew after. That should be nice. So here it is, boiling down. As you can see, I added some fresh onion rings. And the potatoes are boiling nicely. Okay, I added some plantain, but the next thing we're gonna do is smoosh probably about 2/3 of the black beans and any of the bigger chunks of okra. Okay, so here is the final result of the basmati rice and black bean stew. There's the plantain. I added that late because plantain will boil much faster than potato, and there's a little mustard powder on the top. So thanks for watching.